Fighters under 75 kilograms, Brandon Gasol versus the fighter from the blue corner, ladies and gentlemen, Walter Bawa.
Okay. Our fourth bout in the amateur boxing competition dito sa KSK
One of
MMA
the main
Festival.
events, yes.
Co-main na ba to or main event?
Voltaire in the blue,
Okay.
Benz in the red.
Round number one.
Binibira ka na naman ni SD.
Mukhang delikado tayo. Baka durahan tayo ni Zabala.
We go to the second round. Gwen Zabala and Voltaire Bawa.
Sound check. Check.
End of the second round.
Facebook page ng Combat Sports Kalayaan. Nandyan si Silver Lining Tia, Pastor Daryl Nacario, shoutout sa'yo. Nandyan sila Choi San, at the rest ng mga nanonood sa atin pong live feed ng Combat Sports Kalayaan. So, pakishare po ang ating pong live feed, ano?
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng
Thank you to all the
Magtabay,
supporters. Thank you for supporting KSK
sumaybay
MMA
sa
Festival.
KSK MMA Festival. There's a lot more in store for you. Maraming
Third and final round.
Ladies and gentlemen, before the third round ends, we have a winner by TKO. Your winner, red corner, Benz Zabala, representing Combat Sports Kalayaan.
Congratulations, Benz. Congratulations on this journey. This is a stepping stone, by the way. And I've seen your post on Instagram that you've been preparing for months. Is it like months?
Yeah. My last match was last year, May. So it's 11 months shorter for my next one. I've been training since. Man, oh man. That was exciting. That was an exciting match. with Voltaire, my guy Voltaire. Guys, give him a round of applause, please. Yo. Thank you, Sheila.
Nakita nyo yung performance natin, medyo kinapos tayo ngayon. Grateful pa rin tayo sa experience. So, matalo o matuto lang. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga sumuporta sa akin, pamilya ko, sa mga kaibigan ko na nagpadala ng suporta, kay Albert ng Old School Barbershop, salamat sa gupit. Kay Matthew Africa Carlso, salamat sa Source. Yan, babawi tayo sa susunod. Babalik tayo mas malakas.